Hey guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And yeah, it looks like Bitcoin took a little dip right now. And yeah, excuse me, voice is a little raspy today. But just by looking at the chart right now, we took a little dip below our yellow line, but we are fighting it to stay above it right now. We are above it. We seem to have found support at the $32,500 level. We dipped down all the way to 32,100, which is not too bad. I really like to see that it's fighting right now to stay above this line, but we can't discount the fact that we can also see that Ethereum is taking a pretty hard dump right now, all the way from the 23 to $2,400 levels, and now it's all the way back down to $20,086. Right now we were in a rising wedge. I can draw this quickly for you guys. Everyone's been talking about the Ethereum wedge, but I haven't really been looking at it. Been mostly focused on Bitcoin, but we can definitely draw it right here. Take a look at that. A little bit of a rising wedge right there, like that. I'm not drawing it perfectly, but yeah, you get the picture. The target technically to come down would be $1,700 levels. Ben has been talking about this a lot in the chat. Nice to see that Ben's very active now, back active again, taking maybe some trades in Ethereum. He's been taking a little break. Really happy to see him back in the chat trading again. So welcome back, Ben. And right now we can see that Bitcoin is potentially forming a nice little trigger wave right here. Maybe I might potentially enter along, but we'll see. Just because the money flow is turning into a little bit of red there, but the daily time frame is also starting to expand a little more red. And after this red diamond right here, we did eventually take a dump. We can see that the 12-hour though is having some little bit more bullish numbers. It's starting to slow down, but the light blue waves are still very far from curving in, so definitely take that into account. We could also look at the 4-hour on the market cipher. We got some bullish numbers, now we're getting some bearish numbers. No green dot yet, and this right here would have been an amazing trade to take, because you could see these nice anchor wave, and then you got your trigger wave right there at the same price. So that would have been an amazing trade to take, all the way up to 36,000. And now we could see the money flow starting to come back down from the green, potentially coming into the red, but we'll see where it takes us. I'm really sorry about my voice, guys. It sounds really bad today. But yeah, let's just take a look at Bitcoin right now. I think that we could still be in the Wyckoff event. It may take a very long time to play out. It doesn't happen just like that. This could technically still be the support test, but a higher one. So we could come support this, test this right here, and then start to move back up. So maybe I'm thinking about entering some longs here, potentially, maybe tonight. And then, this would be a very high risk trade, but we'll see where it takes us. I'll definitely join the Discord. And if you haven't already, because that's where I post all my trades for free, no charge, not like any other YouTube channel. We're actually at 862 subscribers. I'm super happy because we're actually have something very nice planned for the 1,000 subscribers. When we do reach them, if we do reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm definitely gonna have something very special planned for everyone in the chat. So definitely stay tuned for that. And yeah, I also want to talk about the SP500 quickly, because it's something that's been a little bit of a talk of the town lately. It's been having a little correction in the blood diamond right there on the 1 hour, and then a huge drop all the way down to $42,090, the index price. And then we could see, like, on the daily time frame, we got a first red, not a first, but yeah, a nice little red dot there. And on the weekly, it's still very bullish on the weekly, but on the monthly time frame, this is what interests me, is the nice monthly red dot. Now we are July 8th, so there's still a lot of room to run. A lot of things can change. The price could definitely explode to the upside, but I'm very confident in my short position in the SP500, and I'm still holding it. It's in the red now, but I'm not too worried. So keep that into account. I do expect a very large market correction to happen, and this would be very, very bad for Bitcoin if it does happen, because they are both correlated. We can't discount the fact that when the SP 500 took a dump today, Bitcoin also took a dump too. It's starting to slow down right now. We can see the price is actually starting to recover quite nicely. This could potentially become a nice little trigger wave on the 1 hour. Oh yeah, look at that, we got a green dot. Maybe we'll enter a trade right now after I post this video. So stay tuned in the chat. But yeah, it's looking pretty good right now. I'm not too worried. You guys shouldn't be worried either. And if it does break down to $20,000, like I said, you guys should be happy, because everyone's been complaining about Bitcoin being so expensive. If you want cheap Bitcoin, then you gotta be willing to see the price drop down all the way to 20,000. Well, obviously, I think that we've been holding $30,000 really well, and I wouldn't be surprised if we actually have a move up from here. So, excuse me for my voice. I hope you guys have a wonderful night and make some really good trades. I think I might get up early tomorrow to give you guys a market update if I enter a trade tonight. Alright, I love you guys. You guys have been awesome. The support is amazing. And yeah, join the Discord if you haven't already. I love you guys. Peace. Have a good night.